you are treating for some lower back problems that you've had, right?
That's correct. I've been having a lot of lower back all my life, and once I started using the machine, like I've been being able to do everything I've been wanting to do.
Do you feel any discomfort on the machine?
No, not at all.
So it doesn't irritate your back at all, right?
No, it feels quite relaxing.
Do you also enjoy the chiropractic adjustments afterwards?
Yeah, it's like the cherry on top. After I get the spinal decompression, it feels really good to get my back adjusted.
Great. And you're also doing prescribed exercises and different things that we've given you to perform at home?
Yeah, a lot of core work and a lot of neck stretches and back stretches keep me in top shape.
Cool. Can we get a thumbs up? All right.